Hey, Creative Mom Kamela here from Creative Mom's Decant. And today I'm going to show you a napkin burning decoupage technique. Let's go. It's going to be fun.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
For the napkin burning decoupage technique, you're going to need wood. You can get this from Dollar Tree, napkins from Dollar Tree, and you'll need decoupage or Mod Podge, and you'll need a lighter, and you'll need water. That's the essential items here. I've got some flowers that I picked up and my hot glue gun out so that I can assemble a full fall wreath with this. All DIY and very affordable. So the first thing is we want to get this pattern on this wood, and instead of cutting it out, we're going to burn it off. So the first thing you do is cover the wood completely with Mod Podge. So you do need a fairly thick coat of the decoupage or Mod Podge, and you only want one layer of your napkins here. Sometimes you'll feel like, oh, my napkins are only one layer. I guarantee they're at least two. So you're going to want to separate this. And then decide on where you want and how you want your pattern to look on your decoupaged wood. All right, and then softly place it down. So you want to run your finger across just about everything to make sure that your napkin is adhered to the wood and nice and smooth. And then you're going to take scissors and you're going to trim around it, maybe about an inch. So I cut more, probably closer to a half to a quarter inch. And then remove all your scraps and anything else that's on your work surface that's flammable. You really should probably work on like a metal baking sheet or something, and have water close. So the next thing we're going to do is light this on fire, and it is going to cut our napkin Mod Podge decoupage out perfectly. Here we go. Isn't that so cool? I think that this is awesome. So to get your centers out, and sometimes it does help if you kind of take a sharp tool and poke a hole so that the fire has something to catch on to. And that way you don't burn your other side. So just poke those holes and then start your fire in the centers. Take a dry brush or rag and kind of clean up your edges from the soot. And you have colored and cut out a fun design using napkins, fire, and decoupage. I'm going to finish this wreath up for fall. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings.